Once again, welcome to you all, my dear students. My name is Demen Kumar Tiwari. Today, I will teach you class 8th English Literature, chapter 18. A good deed comes around. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 8 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर चैप्टर 18 अ गुड डीड कम्स राउंड को पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ. So that let us start to read this story. A good deed comes round. It means a good manner. A good manner received with good neighborhood. With good neighborhood. So that growing up in Africa, the son of English settler. Settler means people who go to live in a new country or regions. I often accompanied my mother. The writer said that he was often with his mother, a doctor, on her round. We went in her car, which was like a mobile clinic. Mother car, which was like a mobile clinic. It was fitted with a medical chest. The car looks like also a mobile clinic. It means everything was available in car. It was fitted with a medical chest with wonderful array. Array means an order, display or arrangement of equipment. Glinting scalpels. Glinting means shining. Scalpels are small sharp knives used by surgeon during operation. It is a kind of knife which used during operation. Cotton swabs. Cotton swab means a piece of soft material used for cleaning wounds. Dozen of pill bottles and tubes of ointments. We covered hundreds of kilometers around Milsetter village in rural eastern highlands of what was then southern Rhodesia. The writer was going with her mother around Milsetter village in the rural eastern highland of what was the southern Rhodesia. All of life was there and sometimes death. All of life was there and sometimes death. My mother's single biggest lifesaver was her vaccination program, which was close to her chart. Grand tours to inoculate people against smallpox, diphtheria, tuberculosis and polio became part of our dry season routine. All of life was there and sometimes death. In that place there was a dangerous condition, so that my mother's single biggest lifesaver was her vaccination program. The writer's mother was attended the vaccination program which was close to her heart. It means she was so very fond of to take care the people's. Grand tour to inoculate people. Inoculate means injected medicine or protection people against smallpox. Smallpox, it is a kind of disease. Diphtheria, tuberculosis and polio became part of our dry season routine. Our journey took us high up towards the glistening granite Chimney mountains. These borders the most remote unexplored part of Mozambique, where a guerrilla war against the colonial Portuguese was underway. This place was also a very famous for guerrilla war against the colonial Portuguese was underway. We had sent word ahead, and when we arrived, thousands of the local Naidu people had gathered. Most of them from across the border. We weren't supposed to vaccinate the Mozambicans, but my mother felt it made. We had sent word ahead, and when we arrived, thousands of the local Ndu people had gathered, most of them across the border. We weren't supposed to vaccinate the Mozambicans, but my mother felt it made sense too because the Nedua crossed the border so freely. Nedua is the kind of people who settled in in that place. I helped with the polio vaccine for the children. I had a tray of sugar lumps and would give one to each person. Behind me came a health assistant with a bottle of vaccine. He would squeeze a drop of bright pink solution into each lump. Then I'll call for tongue out and march down the line, checking that the children had all swallowed. My biggest problem was to prevent them from coming around again to get a second sugar lump. Those were the days of relative peace, but as I came into manhood in the 1917s, the war for black majority rules escalated in Rhodesia. Our district, with its long border with Mozambique, was devastated. Nearly every farm was attacked. For almost 10 years, humans never ventured into the vast minefield near the mountains at all. I left for England. I tried to forget Africa, to dismiss my homeland, now renamed Zimbabwe, as a place with too many brutal violence memories, a place of death. The Zimbabwe place was also very rememberable for the writer. I took up journeys and began working for the London Sunday Times. In 1986, the paper assigned me to South Africa, where the black township were in flames on a daily basis. I was from my base in Johannesburg that I ventured back to Mozambique for the first time since my childhood. By then, Mozambique had been battered by decades of war and famine. By then, Mozambique had been battered. Battered means struck with repeated blow by decades of war and famine. तो करा बट देन लेकिन मोजाम्बिका हैड बीन बैटर्ड बाय डिकेड्स ऑफ वार एंड फेमिन. तो जो मोजाम्बिका जगह है वह 10 वर्षों से युद्ध और अकाल से प्रताड़ित था, अकाल से पीड़ित है. इट वाज सेड टू बी द पुअरेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. इट वाज सेड, इसे कहा जाता था, टू बी द पुअरेस्ट, सबसे गरीब कंट्री, देश इन द वर्ल्ड, संसार का. The Marxist government was itself struggling against a new generation of rebels. तो मार्क्सिस्ट जो गवर्नमेंट है, सरकार was itself स्वयं स्ट्रगलिंग, संघर्ष कर रही थी अगेंस्ट अ न्यू जनरेशन ऑफ rebels. Rebels means people fighting against the government of their country. Rebel means प्रतिद्वंदी, ऐसे लोग जो अपने देश के ही सरकार से क्या करते हैं, उसके खिलाफ रहते हैं. It was widely reported that the Mozambique rebels had bases in neighboring Malawi. It was widely reported, यह विस्तृत रूप से रिपोर्ट किया गया, बताया गया है कि दैट द मोजाम्बिक रीबल्स, जो मोजाम्बिक रीबल्स से प्रतिद्वंदी हैं, हैड बेसेस इन नेबरिंग मलावी, दो नो वन हैड एनी प्रूफ, यद्यप किसी के पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं था. मलावी नॉर्मली बैंड फॉरेन जर्नलिस्ट बट टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ अ टूर बाय प्रिंस चार्ल्स. आई स्लिप्ड इन एन ए पार्ट ऑफ ऑफिशियल press interns means a group of people who travel with an important person. I soon split off from the group and headed south. For a day and a half I drove along the Mozambique border, speaking to local and missionaries. I soon split off the group. मैं भी शीघ्र ही लोगों के समूह में क्या हो गया,